Hello, and today we're going to talk about the Accufeed system that comes on the Janome Skyline S7, S9, and a few other machines. This is the actual Accufeed foot that comes with the S7. There is also a narrower Accufeed foot. I believe that comes standard on the S9. As you can see, this is the actual walking foot for the Skyline series, so they're not like your, at least the S7 and the S9, it's not your standard walking foot that you have for machines that you may be used to. And these feet right here, they actually can interchange. So this one right here is the Zigzag Foot, and it's got these little metal bars in here that actually attach into these little openings here, and you push it back in there with a little bit of force, and that's how you get, change out the feet. So you have to be careful, because there have been reports where some people have actually broken off the little tips on the feet. If that should happen, I guess you would have to buy another foot. But this is, like I said, the zigzag one. This is the wide Accufeed. Some of the additional feet that they have with this is this one right here is for your 1/4 inch seaming. It's got the guide right here that you can use. And the opening is large enough that you can move your needle to the left or to the right to get the actual stitch width that you want. Scant, 1/4 inch or whatever. You can move it around. There's also a straight stitch foot, so you can use this with your straight stitch plate that's on there and not have to worry. This will still work with that different plate that you can put on, and I think you'll enjoy using this. The next one right here is it's the stitch in the ditch foot that works. I'm not really a quilter, but I did go ahead and purchase this, and I did make a little wall hanging before Christmas, and I actually used this foot to do my ditch quilting, and I absolutely love this foot. So if you're only going to buy one additional foot to go with your Accufeed foot, I would definitely consider the ditch quilting, or the stitch in the ditch foot, if you like to do quilting and stitch in the ditch. There's also a narrow fixture that'll fit on your machine just like the wide one, and it comes with a narrower zigzag foot. It clips on exactly the same way. If I can get it on here. I don't use this one that much. Oops. So now it's on. And this one, actually, you can get an additional a zipper foot that goes with it, that you can feed it from the left or the right or down through the center. So this is great for when you're doing narrower strips of fabric or things like zippers where you don't actually need the width of the regular Accufeed. So I know that there's a couple other feet, but I do not have them at this point in time. These are the ones that I have and I have used. I just wanted to let you know about them. Hopefully you will explore these feet for your Accufeed for your Janome Skyline series. We'll talk to you later. Have fun. Bye.